Shifting focus, a new state-of-the-art Pamban Bridge, a significant addition to India's railway infrastructure, is set to be inaugurated by Prime Minister as part of the ambitious efforts to improve connectivity and ease of transportation between mainland India and southernmost tip of the country. It will replace the century-old British-era bridge, which has been a crucial link between Tamil Nadu's mainland and Rameshwaram Island. The new bridge will significantly enhance connectivity, allowing for more frequent and heavier trains, which will help meet growing demand while improving safety and efficiency. Its design includes advanced technology to withstand challenging marine environment, providing greater reliability for both passenger and freight services.
The bridge is a length of 2.08 meters long. It consists of 100 spans, of which one span of navigation channel, which permits navigation, is a 72.5 meter steel girder. Once through connection comes, a lot of pilgrims come to tourism will improve, and they'll go to Dhanushkodi or right from India. All parts of India trains will be connected to Rameshwaram. That much advantages are there. Old rail level and the new rail height is different. More 3 meters height is more. So normally small ships will go without lifting also. Big ships means if we have to lift it, they will take permission, we lift it, they will go. Only by electro, we are having operators, they are here only, and all connected with the railway SCADA system. So any bridge opening means Tamil Nadu Maritime Board will give requisition. Based on requisition, railways will take a decision. They will tell this bridge maintenance to open, they will take line block, then it will be lifted. Ship goes, will lower, then train can pass.
AI टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करके बनाया गया ब्रिज है और इस AI टेक्नोलॉजी का जो इस्तेमाल उस समय ज़्यादा होता है जब हवाओं की स्पीड जो है 50 किलोमीटर से ऊपर होती है। चाहे कोई कितना भी इस्तेमाल कोशिश कर ले, ये ऊपर या नीचे नहीं जाएगा। उस स्पीड के दौरान हवा के जब 50 किलोमीटर के ऊपर स्पीड होते उस समय। फिर इसकी दूसरी खासियत ये है कि ये वर्टिकल जो आपने बताया वर्टिकल ऊपर नीचे आ सकता है, तो इसकी हाइट पुराने ब्रिज से काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। छोटे जो नौका हैं वो तो ऐसे भी जा ही रही हैं, थोड़ा भी ऊंचे नौका आते तो उसके लिए उस ब्रिज को खोलना मुश्किल होता था, उसमें काफ़ी समय जाता था और वो मैनुअली मतलब 16 आदमियों को इस काम के लिए लगाया जाता था, तब ये ब्रिज ऊपर नीचे होता था छोटा। ये नया जो ब्रिज है इसके लिए मैन पावर लगभग नहीं इस्तेमाल किया जाता। इलेक्ट्रो मैकेनिकल टेक्निक से इस ब्रिज को ऊपर नीचे किया जाता है।
Pamban Rail Bridge, situated in Ramanathapuram district in Tamil Nadu, is first of its kind in Asia to be engineered with a vertical lift spin. Now, this bridge is one of its kind because it is the first ever bridge to be built not only in India but in Asia, which can be lifted vertically upside like you see in the visuals. This is situated right above the Bay of Bengal, and as you see, this bridge is currently being lifted with the use of several AI technologies, and after years of hard work that has been put up by the railway as well as the maritime industry to ensure that this total length of this bridge, which is said to be 2.1 kilometers, is built and maintains the rail infrastructure. And notably, this is one of the only country after Germany that has such a bridge. The maximum lift of the vertical lift span is 17 meters, and the height of the towers that you see is 34 meters each. And as we know, Pamban is about 658 kilometers from Chennai and connects the mainland Mandapam with Rameshwaram Island. And as we know, the Pamban Bridge is the sole connectivity that connects the India mainland to the Rameshwaram Island, and henceforth this rail bridge becomes of even more prime importance, that it can ensure that India's end-to-end mile of connectivity can be done at a faster pace. The materials used here ensures that no greater pollution as well as green energy is maintained, and also stainless steel has been used at the maximum to ensure that no corrosion is happening to this particular bridge. The metals used, and at the same time, before the fabrication, it was approved by the IIT Madras as well as IIT Bombay, and thereafter the project has been carried off, and henceforth it becomes of even more importance because the people of Rameshwaram will now be able to travel via train. And like you see on the other end, this is the new bridge, and on my left hand side is the old bridge, which has now been shut, which was shut since a long time because of its because of the destruction that it has faced. And above that is the bridge, the only route through which cars and tempos and vehicles are able to operate. And now that this rail bridge will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister very soon, likely in the first week of March or the last week of February, it is likely that trains will start operating from here. However, at this junction that you see, the part that has been lifted up, this is actually a part of the track which is currently being lifted up, which will be lifted up in a similar way when big ships they pass across. They will first have to take permission from the Tamil Nadu Maritime, and thereafter the railways will approve it, after which it will be lifted up. So henceforth, a lot of new technology being used to ensure that the Indian maritime security is enhanced. The people who are operating in the sea are able to get easy access and work at a better pace and with better technology, with better advancements. And henceforth, this time too, it is this particular bridge being built up, which will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister, and after which it is being told that the speed of the trains moving at this bridge will be, for now it has been authorized at 75 km per hour, after which it can be increased. However, because of the sharp curve that has been kept on the other end, it is ensured that security is the prime focus of this bridge being built. And henceforth, in the first week of March, or likely in the last week of February, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be inaugurating the first rail bridge, the vertical lift bridge in Asia, not only in India, of course, which becomes a proud moment for the Indian maritime security. From Tamil Nadu, with video journalist Praveen G. Rohit, Ms. Sujata Dwivedi for NDTV 24/7.